Afternoon at Campsters. We've come out on a little wild camp, me and the veteran, in our little secret woodland. He's just setting his bed up now. Bit of a Halloween camp just before Halloween, so we're just going to we're just going to have a little bit of a midnight wander and see if we can see some spooky stuff. Some ghouls and ghoulies and stuff. We'll only get ghoulies if he takes his kecks off. Right, he's going to sail. Dressed as a pumpkin.
Hello.
Is that your outfit for today?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Jack-o'-lantern.
Right, so that's our fire pit all redug back out. We just fill it in back with that clay when we leave. That's me all set up. Well, near enough. Got to get under blanket and all my sleep system in, and that's me sorted. The wine tree is all ready to go. And that's our little admin tree. That's where we keep all his bits and bobs. And there's shit bags. Leave no trace. I've done this as well. Like, I put like a little washing line up to hang my pack on because I'm sick of it dropping off floor. Let me know in the comments if anyone else does that. But I think it's a pretty good little, nifty little ridge line. Obviously I can hang other things on here if I want. Sound. Glass of wine, sir. Right, it's nice chill out time now. Just had my little glass of wine as you've seen. So yeah, we're not cooking much tonight. It's nice and simple. I think Kurt's got some bratwurst. I've got chicken curry I'm going to do.
See if you can beat veterans curry.
It's not going to be a beating veterans curry because it's just a simple sauce mix today. Yes. Obviously, clocks went back and it's going to be dark soon. But I just wanted to show you these. I've been collecting these over weeks I've been coming here. Loads of little nuggets of fat wood that I've been digging out at trees from where branches have been broken. So that's a little fire starting tin which we can leave up here because this is our base camp now. So yeah, so I'll bring you back when I get fire going, do a bit of cooking, then we'll do some more wandering about this woodland and see if we can find any ghosts, goblins, ghouls or all like that. So I've just prepped a bit of the old fat wood up. Just scraped some really fine shavings off of it. I've got a piece of birch bark here. All we need to do is just scrape that. It's dry enough. When you're prepping birch bark, you need it this side up because all this is resinous. It's really flammable. So you just scrape a bit. Get a nice pile going, and then we'll light it. There you go, that's your fat wood for you. Just build on that, chucking out fire, and away she blows. Right, the sun's come out to join us and it's beautiful. Obviously the sun's going down now. There's not going to be a lot of filming tonight, guys, because we're limited with time and lighting and everything like that. Also, I'm still in the middle of the house move, so I've got half of my lighting gear all packed up. So basically all I've brought is my head torch and my camera lighting, and that's all I've really got. So yeah. Anyway, if you like the videos, please hit that subscribe button. If you're a new subscriber, hello to you. All oldies, you know who you are. Hello to you. Much appreciated, everyone. Yeah, we're going to go on a mission now. Try and get some more wood. And then we'll bring you back. Right, so we've just come across this fallen tree. So we're going to slice that up. That's just firewood for tonight. The veteran found it.
Like I was okay. You don't fucking sell that. Is that alright?
Yeah, it's seasoned well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Right, so we're just making tracks now through woodland. Bit of a dyke here we have to jump over. So, hey up Nelly! We're over. But our camp's over there somewhere. You can't see it from here. Sun's going down beautifully.
It'd be nice for stars out here.
Yeah, it will. We'll come and try and get some stars tonight out here. Won't we, lad?
Where?
Just making tracks. More potential camp spots around here, so that's what we're looking at.
Not mushrooms around here.
I know, I want to know what they are, so we'll ask if anyone knows what these mushrooms are, because I'm not an expert. Can you please let us know?
Get closer to it. Come along.
Let us know what they are. Autumn is the best time to come out into woods and camp. Some really nice potential tent spots here as well. Like I say, this woodland is absolutely untouched. Honestly, you have to fight to get in here, but it's well worth it when you do. Right, so that dead standing, well, the deadfall we've cut up, some of it's a bit damp in the middle, so we're just going to dry it out against the fire there tonight, and then that can either be used later on or on a different camp. Beautiful. What are you drinking, the veteran?
Bit of Pinot Grigio.
Pinot Grigio?
Pinot Grigio, yeah. Fresh, clean and crisp.
Is it nice?
Yeah, it's not bad. Aldi or Lidl, what is it? Bentley.
Lidl.
Honestly, I've never drink wine anyway, so
Beautiful.
me trying to review wines, yeah.
What are you getting from it though?
12%.
Right, this little part of the video is for the people who ask about how you turn over in a hammock, mainly my dad. So you're watching. So you're in your hammock. See, it stretches out big. You've got all this room. You can see that. If you're sleeping on your side, bearing in mind bug net will be done up. You're on your side. And turn over. You turn over. You're going to be on your back. You're on your back. Obviously bug net will be done up. No spiders or it will get in. But it does stretch out really big, as you can see. It's like a bed. So if you're on your back, you just turn over like you're in bed. Simple as that. So that's for you, Dad. Right, so before it gets dark, and like I said earlier, I ain't got all my lighting equipment. All I've got is a £3 tin of chicken breasts, peri chicken breasts. I'm going to cook them on the fire, and then I'm going to just add a madras sauce, and I'm going to put it in the billy can and just slow cook it for a bit, and that's it. Note special, probably won't be able to show you the cooking tonight, but yeah, please stay tuned. The veteran's just over there. What are you having for tea? Oh, bratwurst sausages.
Chili bratwurst.
Chili bratwurst.
And I've got some nice fresh baguettes. And some Gruyere, what is it, Gruyere? Gruyere cheese.
Yeah, so chili bratwurst in fresh baguettes with Gouda cheese.
Gouda.
Which will be nice.
Yeah.
And maybe, because he's got a lot of Gouda, he might chuck some our way, do you know what I mean? So yeah, so basically just an easy chicken curry.
Sweet and simple tonight, shy boy.
Sweet and simple, like he says, because it was one of them things. I had to unpack some of my stuff due to the house move just to come camping tonight. Shh, because if Mrs. sees, which she probably will, maybe she doesn't, but if she does, yeah, I've unpacked a couple of boxes of my camping gear to come out tonight. So we'll bring you back in a bit.
Quiet.
Fire's going nicely now, and then we'll get us tea on.
What up is okay?
So all I've done then is cut them chicken breasts up that you saw. Oh, I'll get smoked out.
You can't even see fucking fire.
Right, to cut them chicken breasts up that you saw, and all I've done is added the curry sauce, and that's what you're left with. So I'll have a nice chicken curry, and the veteran's invented his own meal that he's going to tell you about soon. That's the veteran's tea. He's just putting some Gouda cheese on bottom of his bread bun now. What sausage is that?
Chili bratwurst.
2 chili bratwursts.
A bit of chicken madras.
And my curry. What's it going to call this?
Oh.
Have a look.
The Madras Monster.
Monster Madras.
Monster Madras.
Yes.
Hot dog. Oh wow.
Monster Madras hot dog, Gouda cheese, 2 chili bratwursts, and homemade chicken curry. And that's my chicken madras. Just for that, so. And that's what the veterans had on his bratwurst. What were it called?
Madras Monster.
Madras Monster. Monster Madras. Ow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I'm going to get tucked into this curry. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Right, campsters. We've had his tea. I haven't got into bed because it's... I don't know if you can see, but... No, I don't think you can. But it's really frosty tonight. It's going to be a good test for this OX sleeping bag. The Fathom 400. I'll show you it in the morning. But it's going to be a good test for it. So all I need to do now is get out, drop my tarp down, and get myself into bed. But I can feel the cold. It's very cold. The veteran's asleep over there. Are you asleep? Yeah, he's asleep. Like a bear. But yeah. Right, thanks for watching so far, if you're still around. And we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Morning, campsters. It's a nice fresh morning. OEX sleeping bag's working well. So it's pack up time now. Get back to normal life and See if we can get this house move sorted, finally. Sorry it's been a short video and not been up to much, but I just thought I'd come out and let you know how things are going and what we're doing. Don't forget, giveaway video will be on the 2nd, if not the 3rd. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Wild Campers UK.